If you're watching this video, you probably make videos on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts, and you want to put a link in your bio. Specifically, you want that link in your bio to be able to host multiple different links so that you can push people to different things that you sell. And if you want to make the most possible money from these links, it's very important that you have a tool that actually does a really good job at putting these links in your bio and making the buying process very easy for your viewer. In this video, I'm going to show you the absolute best tool for this purpose and why Linktree is nowhere near as good as this tool is. And in case you're wondering, why should I trust this random guy on the internet? Editor, you can put some of my channels here. @FlyJuggler probably has over 1 million total followers. I run a bunch of faceless channels, that's how I got this. And this channel also has like 10k subs on YouTube and 70k on TikTok. Anyways, the tool. So the tool I use is called Beacons.ai. First of all, they allow for some really cool designs. So this is how I designed my page. You can customize it like crazy, but I just have it say my name on the top, the location that I'm from, so New York. And then this shows a live follower count on my Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. This updates live, by the way, so when I get more followers on Instagram, it'll update on this page automatically without me having to do anything. And I think it shows social proof really well. People just see these numbers, they're like, okay, I can trust this guy, he's serious. Okay, next, I offer a free digital product in exchange for people's first name and email, and we'll get to this whole thing on email marketing in a second, but this is one thing that Beacons.ai offers that Linktree doesn't really offer as well. Then I have a link to my online community, which people can press join on. Then I have my juggling balls, which people can purchase. And finally, they can just go to the homepage of my juggling store. Now, okay, seems pretty simple, but Bennett, why will this actually help me make more money online? Well, let me tell you why. First things first, you can integrate your products into this tool so people are able to buy directly from here without even having to go to your website. So within Beacons, you can literally link your product. Like, this is my 3-ball juggling set, which I linked through Shopify, and I can have it listed on my link in bio, and people can buy directly through here without even having to go and step off into my Shopify store and go into an external browser, which just adds a ton of friction and reduces the likelihood that someone would buy. So not only can you do this with a physical product, but you can do this with a digital product as well, or a whole course. So whether you have a video or a PDF, you can put both of these as a product and then make it so people can instantly buy it through your link in bio. The second thing is you want to be collecting people's emails. The reason is if they just go to your thing and they decide not to buy, they might never come back to your website again unless you hit them through another Instagram or TikTok post, which they might never see of you. But if you capture their email, even if they don't buy the first time around, they'll probably be checking their email and they might buy the second, third, fourth, or fifth time when you send them emails into the future. So Beacons.ai offers this really nicely into their platform. So I offer a full beginner to pro guide, just a PDF on how to improve at juggling, and they get instant access to it when they type in their first name and their email, and then all the email marketing here is set up within Beacons.ai. So far, I only have my welcome email sequence set up, but immediately after they join, they're given the welcome email, and this gives them, the free guide that they signed up for. But on top of that, it gives them 6 more emails which push people to my products. And then on top of that, if I want to reach people again, I can make a new broadcast and send out an email to all of them at once. All right, so all of that alone already makes me think that this is the best link in bio tool, but there's even more than that. So first of all, you can also create a website within the platform, like your own personal website. I already have one, so I don't need this, but you could do this if you just wanted to do the extra step. But then next, you can set up a media kit to make it unbelievably easy to reach out to brands. So you can have all your stats. Once again, these update live. You could have a little about me section, collaborate with me, and then your rates for any sponsored posts. Then you can go to AI brand outreach, and literally with this media kit that they pretty much create for you, you can reach out to different brands and use the media kit as a really easy way to show potential advertisers how much value you will provide for them. So that's why, in my opinion, this is 100% the best link in bio tool. Of course, you also get all your analytics, where everything is coming from. And on top of that, you can set up your Google Analytics or Facebook or TikTok pixels, which means you will be able to track each individual person that actually came through those websites and be able to retarget them in the future if you'd like to. So again, this is an absolutely overpowered tool, and I highly recommend it. This is the best link in bio tool that I've found so far. If you want to try it, most of their features are completely free, and I highly recommend it, so I'll leave it in the first link in the description. I hope that helped, and thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in another video, and peace.